Okay, here we are. Here's Phil's 1970 Cadillac DeVille.
That guy can do it. He has some really nice cars. Really, you got more than
I'll let you know a little bit more about the car as soon as we do the interview with Phil.
Dennis, those Thunderbirds. Maybe not that condition. I don't know why they're just not there. And those cars, you can get them restored.
So this is Barry, this is Phil, that's his Cadillac, this is Al, and this is Dennis. Dennis's Camaro.
Where, right there?
Look at that. That's his Camaro.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about your Cadillac, Phil.
This is a 1970 Coupe de Ville out of Amarillo, Texas. I've owned it since 1999. Christmas present to myself. And that's
God bless you.
That's all I got.
Good. Thank you. And what about your car,
Hey,
Dennis?
1969.
Pop the hood on that thing.
Camaro.
We'll put it on Russell's video.
Had it for about 10 years. It's just a daily runner.
Mm-hmm.
And not much to say, just
Dennis.
keeps you working.
Beautiful.
Dennis, pop the hood on that. He'll
Beautiful.
put it on video.
Are you sure it's your car, Dennis?
Oh, positively. I know it is.
I thought maybe you were trying. Oh yeah, nice. You got AN fittings on it. I never saw. Oh, and it's not carbureted.
It's got TPI on it. It's a DZ302, original Chevrolet to the car. And but it's got TPI fuel injection on it. It's got it's 11 compression. The compression's so high that you have to use a computer to manage the fuel system in it. Otherwise, you get a lot of pinging and that kind of stuff. So, anyway, that's the story on it.
Beautiful. You did all the work?
All this, yeah, as you see.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you for sharing it.
You're quite welcome, my friend.
Beautiful job. I would leave the hood open so people could see this. This is a lot of work. This is a masterpiece right here. That's beautiful. A lot of money, buddy.
Oh yeah, yeah. a lot of retirement money.
Oh, okay. Well, what else you gonna spend it on? You know what I mean?
That's right. That's right.
Enjoy it. Enjoy it.
I have another baby, so what the hell?
All right. Thank you for the interview. Thank you.